Back again, viewers, back again. It's not your boy Leroy, it's me. 3 o'clock, bank holiday weekend, Saturday afternoon. And where's the so-called daddy? Where is he, guys? Hey? Where is the so-called daddy at 3 o'clock on a bank holiday weekend? Hey? He's done a bunk already. Part-time higgitt. Oh, just come back and higgitt's under pressure. He's reopened and he's got himself a queue. Higgitt's under pressure. I've just spotted Rick. Look, having a crafty fag in the corner. Look. There he is. Spotted Rick. Anyway, I'm over here at higgitt's and I've just found out that the poor man poor guy's under pressure, I believe. He's had to get his missus in to help him. What's happening, Chris?
What?
Have you brought Karen in again?
I have.
Look.
Because I'm the daddy, like do.
Because he's had the double heart bypass, he needs his wife here now. Look at this, it used to be Higgitt's Burger Bar. Hey? Not anymore. Look what we've got. George and Mildred. Back again, viewers, back again. It's not your boy Leroy. Only today we're going to have a look at Simon's Little Flat on booking.com. The Seagull's Nest Holiday Cottage. Just above this little fancy gift shop here. Before I go in and show you around, I'll hit you with a couple of rules. One is there's no pets allowed. The second is no smoking inside, but there is an outside courtyard and a smoking area. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to have a look round. So here we go. There's your little outside courtyard seating area. Yeah, so we enter in here. A small kitchen area with everything you need there: microwave, kettle, small hob, oven, dustbin. Of course, your sink area, heater on the wall. Entering into the shower enclosure, so you get a nice shower, your toilet there, nice modern shower, your towels, and your vanity sink. So that's your downstairs bathroom and kitchen. So we'll head upstairs. Onto the first floor here. Stunning little lounge area. Really nice here. Stunning little lounge area with a view out onto Dale Street there. Little fire, dining table, cosy little outfit, and a lovely bit of wall art. Right there, on to a bedroom, bunk beds. It's like obviously a kiddie bedroom. TV, tastefully decorated. Yeah, lovely little bedroom there for the kids. And we move on up to the second floor. It's a really nice sort of open plan bedroom here at the top. Nice little dressing table there. What looks like a king size or queen size bed. Bedside lamps, tastefully decorated once again. Nice vanity unit. And a rail there for hanging clothes. And another electric heater. This is really cosy. Actually, really cosy. I'd be happy with staying in a place like this. It's lovely and warm up here as well. Okay, you've got the nice laminated floor throughout. Very clean. Quite spacious for like a second floor bedroom. Yeah, lovely. So there you have it. It is the Seagull's Nest Holiday Cottage. It's available on booking.com. Once again, no pets and no indoor smoking. But there is an outside courtyard for smoking, as you've seen on the way in. So guys, there you have it. The perfect little hideaway, getaway, home from home. Little holiday cottage. Right in the heart of Blackpool. 2 streets back from the promenade. Outside seating area there, so you can have a drink at night or a smoke. I think it's absolutely stunning. It's beautiful, lovely. Like I said, once again, available on booking.com. Signing off. See ya. Viewers, what's happening here? Look at this lazy bugger over here, Higgitt. Look, sat there having his brew. He's having his brew over here. Lazy git. He's got a queue over here, and his missus is doing all the graft. His missus is doing all the graft. He's been sat here all day. All day he's been sat here.
Explain to me, Pete, where's your missus at the moment?
It's all day.
Where's your missus?
My missus is at home with her feet up.
No, she's not. She's in the cafe.
She's a lady of leisure.
She's in the cafe, and you're out here playing with your YouTube, isn't she?
No, he's made his t-shirt dirty on purpose to make it look like he's been doing something. He's absolutely done nothing
I'm
today.
the daddy
Absolutely nothing.
And I'm the daddy t-shirt.
This guy is just unbelievable. Making his wife do all the work.
Well, I better go do some work now. I actually do some work.
So he's actually going to do some. Sorry, he's actually going to. So he started viewers at 5:15 in the afternoon. He had a break at 3 o'clock. Now he's back. He's having another break.
I've been at this for hours.
He has more breaks than a Kit Kat.
At least I start to have a break.
Oh my God! Look what I've got here. What have we got here? We got 3 of them.
Yeah, we've got a boy. Do you know what I like about it? Got a minute.
I thought he was grafting on his own, but he still can't do it. He's got no queue, and he still can't do the job. The man's knackered. He is. He's finished. Saturday, the 27th of August. So have we gone at 6:10 in the evening. What a beautiful night. Promenade's booming. Nice clear sky, lovely evening. Don't know what the sound's like on this at the minute, because I forgot to bring my little mic and mic cover out, so we'll have to see how we go. Have a wander. There's the donkeys. Have a wander over towards the pier. Hashtag tram check. Let's go and see if we can find the elusive Rick. See if we can wind him up a bit. It's actually quite a busy evening. Bank holiday Saturday. But I've managed to find a few minutes to go for a wander. See what's out and about. The light up gear trolley's out already. We haven't even got the lights yet. Where's Cadona? Where is he? There he is, there he is, there he is, guys. Look. I can't understand the bloody word he's saying, can you? Never understood a word. Not a thing. He's just spotted me. He spotted me. Classic. Can't run away from the camera there, he's grafting. It's quite busy down here tonight. I'm gonna have to have a wander back. Just nipped out just for a little wind up there. I think I'll just go and wind up the higgitt on the way back and then get back to work. Yeah. This looks really nice, Webster's, the way they've done it out. Coffee bar. Lovely. Ooh, looks like the traffic wardens have had a field day. They've had a field day. Yep, Foxhole Market there, to my right. Still open. There you go. Heading down to Dale Street now, where the elusive higgitt is. No, he's not elusive at all. If there's anything he loves more than anything else, it's the camera. Oh my god. Once again, viewers, once again, Bank Holiday Saturday, 6:15, and he's bloody shut. Now what can I say? What can I say? Closed again. The self-proclaimed daddy disappeared once more. So there you have it, viewers. Higgitt's done a runner once more. Will he be back open shortly? There's the question. Must admit his shutter wasn't all the way down, so it would suggest he's still there, but come on Higgitt, pull your finger out. Alright, so there you have it, viewers. Once again, come to the end of another video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and share it across wherever you want to share it. Once again, it's not your boy Leroy, signing off. Sayonara.